select this extension and install it. Now open the Upwork account and apply for a job. Let's say this is my job, and fill in the details, put in the rate and each and everything here. Write the cover letter as well. So we are all set. Now on the very right side you have this Upwork Analytics bar. That's the extension. Put up your email address and sign in. You'll receive an OTP shortly. Now we are logged in, and that's the job detail. You can see editing and development line tutorial. So here we are. Each and every detail is here. And now before submitting this application to Upwork, you have to click save. Our application is saved now. Now let's review it and go to the dashboard here. That's our dashboard. Go to the applications, and that is the most recent job that we have applied for. Click on it, and that is our proposal. So here's how the client is going to see this. So just to add in here another thing, this is the collaborator feature that we have. So let's suppose you are a manager of an Upwork profile, and you own it, and you need someone, you employ someone as a bidder. So you can add them as a collaborator. Let's say their email is this, and their role is collaborator. So they are going to bid on your profile, but you will be the admin, and you will be reviewing the applications as well. Profile name is, let's say, Mac. We have a profile URL, the account URL on which you are going to add, which he or she is going to apply. So this is the account URL. Then you click on the add collaborator, and he or she will be your collaborator as well. So this is a collaborator feature that we intend to develop, that we intended to develop, and to to streamline the process of meetings, and to get rid of these hourly meetings as well. Yeah.